Okay, student, we are solving today page number 6, study material of SANCO. I explained that day the concept of the questions of previous year section from that 2 mark questions we have discussed, and question number 3 of all the questions of this question number 3 we have solved, and also we have solved the question number 4. We just were starting the question number 4. The question number 4, I think I just want to tell you all the topics of the chapter number 1 I have explained you, and I think you would have understand this properly and you got this. However, if there is any problem, so you can ask these questions again. Right now my purpose is to make understanding till the last stage of that you could not get it. Okay, so question number 4, you may see that what the question number 4 is saying. Here is an expression, as I already have discussed with that with you, that is any questions when you see, you just have to see its pattern, what the question is exactly saying, and later you have to solve the solutions. Actually the student of the 9th 8th standard and the standard, what is their thinking process? When they see any mathematical problem, they just try to think that what the teacher made solution for that. Just you don't learn the situation or picturization of the situation. Just they have to think what is to be done later, means at the time of explaining you just have to think this step is to be solved in this manner right now. So see, we will not talk more about just you see the question number 4. The question number 4 is 3 by root 3 plus 1 plus 5 by root 3 minus 1 is equal to a plus b root 3. Okay, then find the value of a and b. We are to find the value of a and b. You may see the pattern. The left hand side is what? The left hand side is here 3 by root 3 plus 1, 3 by root 3 plus 1, solution number 3 by root 3 plus 1, 3 by root 3 plus 1 and plus root 3 minus 1. Just you may see here this. What is that? And the question is 5 by. Okay, 5 by and is equal to a plus b and it's a root 3. Just you may see here. So what type of expression is this? You may see the expression is left side there is a, we can speak here, this is not the p by q form, or also this is not having the denominator. Its denominator is 1 here, but the here the denominator is what? The denominator, this having the denominator, this having the denominator. So obviously we can understand this is having the denominator and the denominator with the irrational term. So your task is first to solve the irrationality, and already we have discussed solving irrationality is the rationalization concept here. Anywhere else irrationality is to be solved, so irrationality is to solve in the rational form. This is to bring it in the rational form, and this is called rationalization, as the term is occurring in the denominator, and then this is called the rationalizing the denominator. Is that clear? So your task is to sometime this question also comes as simplify here. However, he has to find the value of a and b. Okay, so how can we do this? Please, first you will bring the left hand side after solving in this format. Clear? So we will start here. The left hand side we will solve this first. Okay, 3 by what is that here? Root 3 plus 1 and plus 5 by what next is root 3 minus 1. What next is to be done? Please tell me. This is that and this is clear or not? It's a plus b, it's a minus b. Clear or not? So what is to be taken here? This their LCM is root 3 plus 1 and what next is root 3 minus 1. LCM method, taking of LCM is that here 3 times what then is root 3 minus 1 plus 5 times root 3 plus 1. Is that clear or not? Right. What the next is to be done here? This is to be introduced inside this. So it shall be 3 root 3 plus minus 3 and it's 5 root 3 and plus 5 divided by what next is, what type of pattern is occurring here? You may see this pattern. Please check the what type of pattern is this? A plus b, a minus b pattern. That is what? A plus b and it's a minus b pattern. So further is to resolve here a square minus b square. The situation is there. Okay, so what is to be done next later? So it's this is root 3 times the root 3 terms. This is the root 3 terms. Okay, both the terms are of the root 3. So it's a 3 time occurring here, it is a 5 time occurring here. Anything else when 3 times gets added with the 5 times, then what comes? It 8 times comes here. 8 times what? Root 3 and minus 3 plus 5. What is that here? Plus 2. Clear? And plus minus, the operation is minus and the sign comes of the greater magnitudinal term. Okay. So the pattern a plus b a minus b, it's a root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square, and further is to be solved here this 8 root 3 plus 2 whole divided by root 3 minus 1, and further also is there to be done 8 root 3 plus 2 divided by 2. Clear? This is the common denominator, this also, this also. So we'll write down here 8 3. So general expressions to be here. First we have to write the rational terms. So 2 by 2 and plus 8 root 3 by 2. Is 2 to cancel? 1 comes here, it's cancel here, 4 times root 3. Just you may see this expression is coming here, right guys? So what does this is saying here? 1 plus 4 root 3. We have simplified the expression here. The expression, this left side expression we have simplified. Clear? And this expression is actually to be brought in this format. You may see this right now. So what we'll write down here this, since we'll write here 1 plus 4 root 3, actually this is the solutions of that left hand side. What is that here? The solution is a plus b root 3. Okay. What next will here, please tell me? This is rational part and this is also irrational part. So both are equal. The meaning of the equality, it means that obviously a rational cannot be equal to irrational. So we see this is the term of irrational, this is the term of irrational. So this is part rational and this is part irrational. So we'll write down here what we will speak here, equating. This is called equating. So here you will write here equating the rational, and what? Irrational part, sorry, equating the rational and irrational part. Clear? Equating the rational irrational part. So a is equal to 1, this is a rational part, this is rational part. Clear? This is a rational part, you may see here this 4 root 3 is equal to b times root 3. This is that, this is that. So what shall be here? This place shall be b is equal to 4. Your answer is now a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4. Its answer here. Okay. Understood what is the method of solving the question here? Okay. You may see what I have done here. First I have simplified the left side. Ever, not only in this question, the main aspect of mathematical problem is to simplify the situation. You need to bring the terms into very simple terms and then let us to be equate it and substitute it and manipulate it and what the different aspects of what the different strategies of mathematics and methods are being used in mathematics. Clear? So first your task is to simplify the situation, not only in this problem, even in the problem of any mathematical problem. The main aspect to simplify the situation, to simplify the terms, present terms. Okay, right now, understood you well? You may say this, what is that, how you have done, and what step is to be, you have to learn from this activity, then in what situation, what step is to be taken here, what decision is to be made here by you. Clear? Okay guys, now see the question next, what the next question is saying here. The next question is simplify. Now look here, question, simplify by rationalizing the denominator. The questionnaire is same, but is the language, the asking questionnaire is, vocabulary is different here. You may see this. Is the situation is the questionnaire is saying here simplify by rationalizing. Already the questionnaire is giving hint. You have to simplify this as by rationalizing, but sometime it is it's speak that simplify the following expression. So what is to be done? The rationalization is to be done here. Means you have to understand in yourself that what is to be, what decision is to be taken at that time when you are just handling with this type of question. Okay. So what the question is saying? Fifth question. I hope you can solve. simplify by rationalizing the denominator. So, you need to rationalize the denominator. One thing I want to tell you, it is not necessary that rationalization is always done with the denominator. No, you can do the rationalization with the numerator also. It depends on what term you want to rationalize. The term which you rationalize, where is it? Is it as the numerator or is it or the denominator? It depends on you, right? But the irrationality of the denominator is I think mathematically more complex than the irrationality of numerator. So, it is generally done. Okay. Question number 6, if you can solve the question 5, you can solve the question number 6. Now, say on the question number 7, I am telling this to raise your confidence, question number 7, so that you can solve the question number 5 and 6. Please note you all, question number 5 and 6 is your assignment. Rationalize the denominator. Okay. 1 by 3 root 2 minus, so which you want to know by me, 7 or 8? More difficult is what here? I think more difficult is 7, I am telling. Okay. 1 by 3 root 2 and 2 root 3. 1 by 3 root 2, 2 root 3, how can we solve this? 1 by 3 root 2, 2 root 3. I think already I told you this question. Okay, so I am telling the question number 8. Rationalize the denominator, 2 root 5 minus root 3. 2 root 5 1 by 2 root 5 minus root 3. This is to simplify. So, simply rationalizing the denominator. Using the denominator. Next here, 1 by 2 root 5 minus root 3 into 2 root 5 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 5 plus root 3. So, what shall it is? It's a plus b pattern. Look here, a minus b, a plus b. So, always you just have to use here a plus b and it is a minus b. Further is to be a square minus b square. Clear? So, 2 root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square, or it is a 2 root 5 plus root 3. It is, may see, the plus is to be converted into minus and minus is to be in plus. 2 root 5 plus 3 divided by what next? It's 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and root 5 5. So, 4 5s are 20 and it is 3 also. Further 2 root 5 divided minus plus root 3 divided by 17. So, this can be written as 2 root 5 divided by 17 plus root 3 divided by 17. Now, just we have to know here, why do we do so? Because we have to show the denominator, this denominator is common for both. So, we sometimes one of the term comes as rational, sometimes the other terms comes rational. So, we need to separate them with their denominator. This is called separating with denominator. Okay. Understood you? The method is there. So, I think that you can solve the questions of and the situations of rationalization. Okay. Now, look the question number 9. Here 16 to the power 0.16 and 16 to the power 0.09. 16 to the power, okay, 0.16 into 16 to the power 0.09, and the solution number, what the solution number? The solution number 9 is I am telling. Okay, question number 9. Solution question number 9. How to be done? A very simple pattern is there. You can assign here a to the power x into a to the power y. The base is same, power are different. So, power are what? Please tell me. Add it. So, obviously, everybody can do this. 0.16 plus 0.09. Clear or not? And further is to be done here. This 16. What is the sum of the power here? 0.5. Clear or not? So, 0.5 means, however, we have done questions almost completely, but 0.25. 0.25. What do you understand? 0.25. What is 0.75? What is 0.5? This you just have to know what are these. We can speak here. What are these? What part of the whole is there? This is called the quarter part. We can speak. 0.25 means it's a 1/4, generally 1/4 is this. Okay. So, this is the decimal power here. So, the decimal power can be written as 1/4. Okay. So, this expression is looking like that 1 by m. So, how this situation is to be solved? This to check the compositity and whether the x is composite or the prime. So, you may see 16 is what? It is a composite or prime. So, you understand here this is composite. So, composite is to be solved here as this factorization. So, obviously, I need not need to tell you this in detail. How many times 2 are occurring at this 2, and how is to be solved here? This can be written as 2 raised to the power 4, and the power is to be what here? Multiplied. 4 what? Cancels. What live here? 2. This, can you solve this further, the expression? No. Your answer is 2. This is the rough work. Okay. Not the marks is to be deducted for unattempting of this rough work. Is that clear? Remember, please. Now, see the next question here. What the question next? Now, new variety questions now came here. This if x is 9 minus 4 root 5, 9 minus 4 root 5, 9 minus 4 root 5. Since x is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5, and to find out, what is to find out? X square plus x square by x square. This is 2. Clear? X square plus 1 by x square. Clear? How can we solve this? Tell, please. As x is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5, x square plus 1 by x square, means this is given here. So, what the direct approach of this solving question, what the general people thinks? So, simply the value of x is to be put in place of x. So, and resolve it, we will find answer. No, it is not here. You will put the value of, since you will think that here x is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5. Is that clear? If we also need to put here the value of 1 by x, why? Because 1 by x, if you will do square, so it shall be what? 1 by x square, because square of 1 will not make it magnitudinal, high magnitudinal. So, square of whole expression is the x square of denominator. Okay. So, 1 by x square on the, if we will write down here this, see guys, if we will write here this like that 1 by x is equal to, therefore 1 by x is equal to, therefore 1 by x is equal to 1 by 9 minus 4 root 5. So, what did you get here? Please tell me. Yeah, irrationality on the denominator. So, when the situation rises irrationality in the denominator, then what do you have to do? Yeah, good, right? You are saying this we have to do rationalization. Okay. So, next rationalization, not need here to write down the rationalizing the denominator. Obviously, we are doing this, you can see. So, what is the process of rationalization? 9 minus 4 root 5 into 9 plus 4 root 5 divided by 9 plus 4 root 5. Let this is clear. So, what way? This is a plus b, again a plus b pattern a minus b. So, it is a 9 square. I think it is not new concept coming here or rising. Okay. Simply every step is here this. Now, next 9 plus 4 root 5, 9 square 81 minus 80. 4 4s are 16 and root 5 root 5, 16 5s are 80. So, what will be this? 9 plus 4 root 5 divided by 1. This also can be written as 9 plus 4 root 5. Now, simplified the expression, well expressed here. Okay. X is 9 minus 4 root 5 and 1 by x is 9 plus 4 root 5. Now, you can substitute here the value. Therefore, what is to be done? So, x square by 1 by x square. Can we write some more else? Okay. The two methods are here, a square plus b square is equal to what? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. If here plus, here minus, so here plus, the two formulas are there. You can use this or directly you can put the values here. So, this is to be written as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 times x into 1 by x. Okay. So, what next is to be there? Most of the time this is to be used here, remember you please. Okay. In NCERT textbook, when you are solving any question in mathematics, not a new concepts come again and again, clear? What? So, what is that? Write down this please. So, 9 plus x is 9 minus 4 root 5 plus 9 plus 4 root 5, okay, and plus or minus, minus 2 times 9 minus 4 root 5 and 9 plus 4 root 5. Carry on this. So, what is that? To be solved easily, this cancels, and 9 what is that? 18 minus, here is what? 2 times this into this. So, what is this into this? Already we have solved. Here we have solved here this. Okay, this is we have solved. You may see. Is that clear? Not. So, what? It comes what? 1. So, 16 minus 2. What is that? Oh, sorry, 18 minus 2. 16. Can you simplify 16 more in? Oh, no. 16 is your answer. Well understood you? So, it means that you had been given here x and you solved here for 1 by x, and 1 by x bringing is the main thing, is to bring the question term in the simplified expression. Sometimes x is given and you are to find out under root x. This sometimes a more difficult expression here, okay, and where this type of questions are occurring, I am telling these types of questions, okay. You may say this types questions are, I think, I hope you can solve this. X is given, what is x? Root 2 plus 1, and you are to find out x minus 1 by x whole square. You first will find out 1 by x and then you will subtract it and will obtain answer. 11 is also your answer. 11 you can find answer of that. Okay. So, 11 you will solve as home assignment. I give the 2 more question in that, 11 also. Now, I am telling one questions of cube. Which you want to know, 12 or 13? Tell please. Yeah, I am telling the question number which is difficult you are experiencing. I think 1a minus 1 by x is easy sum, because simply 1 by x, but here the cube is there. So, I am telling you this cube question of cube terms for x. 12 number question. X plus 1 by x is 1 by root 3. X plus 1 by x is root 3, and what next is to find out here this root 3 x cube plus 1 by x cube. This is okay. How can we find out this? Tell please. So, we can find out in the simple manner, very simple manner, right? The expression is here x cube plus 1 by x, and there is what? X plus 1 by x, and here cube is also there. So, very simple that we can simplify the expression. Here, can we put the value of x directly here? Obviously no. So, we have to simplify this situation in this format. The value given you are to x plus 1 by x. So, again I will say you to see here any pattern you are getting this previously you have solved in previous classes. So, everybody speak here this, yes sir, what one patterns I am getting this here. What is that here? So, identity you just know here, it is a cube plus b cube. This type of pattern is the first term cube and second term cube, and it is a plus b, okay, and it is a square minus ab plus b square. This is that here. But here the a plus b is given here. So, this can also be simplified. Already an expression you just have to. Right now, I already have told the student, but why plus you are using, not minus, because the plus is given here. It's what here. What next is? Wait a minute, please. So, what will it is? A square. It's a square. Again, wait a minute, please. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. this is plus, so it is minus, or it is minus, so it is plus. Clear or not? Right? Now, next is what is to be done next. So, this a square plus b square can be replaced here. Okay. So, what shall be? It is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. I just want to tell you why you are doing this, because you are bringing the terms in a plus b form. The whole expression you are bringing in the terms of a plus b. Why? Because a plus b format is given here. So, it is what? A plus b whole square minus, what is that? Minus 2 times ab, and sorry, right, minus, and what next is to be done here? This minus ab is also there. Okay. So, later it is a plus b, and here will a plus b whole square minus 3 times ab. Is that clear? Next time you not have to solve the expression directly in this manner. Okay, you don't have to. This is not need to write down here. This term is not need to write down here. Okay, but however I explained here this, but next time you will not write this. Okay. Now next please. So this identity will use. I had given this identity already is to be used while solving questions here. I am telling this here identity I have given this. You may see this. Where is that? Is this here? No. In previous chapter you may see the identity is to be used. See in the study material. Where is that? Is this here? No. A plus b. This is the identity a x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y, x square plus y square. This is already you will study in the 9th class, and this repeating identity. Sometimes some board students do not study this algebra portions in 8th classes, but some study this. Okay, so I am explaining them again. Is that clear? Now come back please to the format. Yeah, we reached up to here. Clear? So what is that? X plus 1 by x is root 3. So we have to find x cube 1 plus 1. What is that? Here is this. Okay. Further is to be solved. Further is to be solved. Carry on the next please. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, and what next? A square p square. Okay. So a plus b whole square minus 3ab. This idea you have to remember here. Okay, and this portion is not to be remembered by you. Is that clear or not? Yeah, this is that here. So this portion is to be remembered by you. Next time we'll remember. Or how did I bring this? Everybody know here is how to bring this. Clear? Now this is. So therefore x cube plus 1 by this is, so first term plus second term, and first term, sorry, what is that here? First term plus second term whole square minus 3 times first term into second term. Is that clear or not? X cancels, and what is the value of x plus 1 by x? It's root 3. What is the value of this? Root 3. What is that? 3. And further is to be solved here. This is what? 3 minus 3. You understand this or not here? So what is that? 0. What shall come here? The answer here? Obviously 0. Simplified expression is before you. Okay. So this is the method of solving the questionnaires. The next is what? Okay. Look, the question number 13 is also there. I hope you can solve the question number. So question number 13 is also your home assignment. Please will solve everybody. Clear? Now look the next please. 3 mark questions. What are the 3 mark questions here? 14. Simplify this. You need to simplify this. The question is being repeated here. Composite number is lying under the root, and there is 6 is also composite, but it's not to be factorized in multiple factors. Into 294 is also composite, and there minus 3 whole 1 by 6. If you want to know this question, I will tell you this. Okay. So, what is the method of solving this question? Just remember, these questions we have solved in the same way you have to solve. Simplify the following. Clear? In the same manner you need to solve the question about this. Okay. I am telling one more question of this kind. I am telling this. X is given here, this 9 plus 4 root 5, and there is what? You are to find out root x minus 1 by root x. This is the same I told you. In that you have been given x, and you have to find out the x plus 1 by x. But here the situation is different. Here is what? X is 9 plus 4 root 5, and you have to find out under root x. So, what is that? And this question number 16 also you can same how we have done the question number 4. You may see this again by back playing of video. Okay. And also you can go to the previous Friday lecture, thus you can understand the question number 14 well. Okay. So, I am telling the question number 17. 17 and 18 have the same format. X is 9 plus 4 root 5. It's a 17. Since x is 9 plus 4 root 5, and what is to find out here? What is to find out? Sorry, x plus 1 by x. This is to find out. Okay. So, what is the method of finding this? You may see x is given. By using x, you are to find out root x first. Okay. So, since x is 9 plus 4 root 5, clear? The x is 9 root 5, 4 root 5, and we are to find out 1 by root x. How can we do this? First, root x is to be found out. So, our general method, sir, we have to take the root over either side? No. This is that? No. If we can take, so okay, if what do you think? What is convenient in using by you? I can do the same thing else. It is this here 9 plus 4 root. Look here, the two difficult expressions are here. One is the irrationality due to 5, and the second is it is under root. So, quite difficult it is. So, this expression is to be brought out of the root. How can we do this? Any squared root means this is that here, can be solved by square. So, what shall it be? It's x here. This is general expression for that. The law of surds, when I explained this thing, I explained to you. Clear? So, we have to create here a square. How can we create this? And a square means just like that a plus b whole square. This type we can create here. So, this could be written here when a plus b we can write when a square plus 2ab plus b square. When this situation rises here, in that here we can write this. Clear? So, what the next is to be done here? This very simple it is. You may say this. In this 9 plus 4, here we have to bring this. Only the two terms are here. Suppose these two terms could be there, or suppose these two terms could be there. But a square, what is the greater closer square is coming here? So, 3 square it can be here, 3 square it can be here, 2 square it can be here. But this does not give you a clue for supposing 3 terms. The root 5 gives you the clue for that. Okay. So, root 5, how can we do this please? Very simple it is. So, I am just making it is root 5 here you have to bring. So, this can be written as 9 can be written as 5 plus this. Okay. Can we write this or not? 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. So, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is to be splitted here. and 5 can be written as root 5 whole square. Why? Because in the middle term, see, in the middle term, in this middle term I am talking about, a b means this term also comes with this term, both the terms appear in that, and it's coming once, means it's coming one time only with its sign and with its original value. Okay, so root 5, here the term you may see, this is root 5. So this root 5, the term is due to one of that. Okay, so what we can write here, this root 5, here we can write, so one term is, you may understand here, this is that. Okay, so further the expression is be there, and the first term is this, so this can be written as 2 whole square. Clear? So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Is that clear now? See the middle term, what is that? The middle term is 2 2s are 4 root 5. This is 4 root 5. Clear? So this is the task. It can be written a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it shall be what? A plus b, and what is that? Whole square. So you may say this, what is that here? 2 plus root 5. This is the task actually to solve the question. Sorry. Okay, this is what? This is root x. You understand this? So root x we brought here, root x is this. So what we have to find out? Please go back. We have to find out 1 by root x also. So root x is what? 2 plus root 5. So what is 1 by root x? Therefore 1 by root x is 1 by 2 plus root 5. Okay, whole divided by 1 by 2 plus root 5 multiply by 2 minus root 5 and 2 minus root 5. Rationalization this is. Here we will not write the rationalization. Okay, same, I will not speak anything else about this. A plus b, a minus b pattern, it's a square and it's a b square, 2 minus, it is this here, and what next is 4 minus 5 like this. The minus of the denominator is the minus of numerator. You can change the sign also. Is that there? This is the value of what? No, it's not answer. This is the value of, tell please, this is the value of 1 by root x. So we have to find therefore root x plus 1 by root x. So 2 plus root 5 and minus, sorry, what is that? 2 minus root 5. 2 plus root 5 minus minus plus. It cancels 2 times root 5. Answer. Is that clear right now? See the next. Question number, what is that? Question number 13 is also there. Sorry, it's 17, it's 18 I told you, 17. Can you solve the question number 18? Yeah, of course you can solve this. So, see guys, I just got this root 20th question, so I got to remember this. Under root 3.5, you asked me on WhatsApp root 9.3 how is to be represented. Okay, so I am telling root 3 how is to be represented. Okay, root 3 representation. Representation of root 9.3 on number line. On a number line. So what is that? We draw here a line. Okay. So in the line any, wait a minute please. We'll draw a line from O to A. How much we'll draw here? 9.3. This is X. And we'll proceed it up to 1 unit. It's B. We have just, it's 1 unit. Clear? And now draw perpendicular bisector of this. Perpendicular bisector, you will draw here perpendicular bisector of that. It's a two large line is there, but I'm telling you this, with the help of this, you will draw here a line 9.3. Suppose this is O to A, it's 9.3. Proceed it up to this. Okay, it's a B here, it's a 1 unit. Now some people will think that this is this here 9.3 too smaller, or 1 is obviously I cannot draw here the 9.3 original because the diagram will so much bigger. It will be bigger than my screen. So I am telling simply the method, and you will obtain here a perpendicular bisector. Okay, perpendicular bisector, keep here this, at this point you will put the rounder, cut an arc here also, and here you will put this here, cut an arc, and here also, and join these two. If we will join them, okay, we'll join them, we'll obtain here, middle point is to be obtained here. Something else, slightly bent line came here. This is the middle point here. Clear? Name of the point is P. SP, we just have to construct, keep the point, we can keep the point here as a P and construct a, sorry, rounder is wrong. Yeah, this is that here. This is a semicircle we have constructed. Clear? And after that, what is to be done here? This, or at the point A, we need to construct a perpendicular. At point A, so at point A, we need to construct here a perpendicular. Do you know the method of constructing perpendicular? Yeah. Cut arc, cut an arc. Now join this. That this is okay. So what this line is intersecting here at P. Now sorry, P now, P already we have used. Q, join P to Q. Okay, so what I think I just already told you, this is the value of X. I brought here, this is what, so from here to here I brought what, I brought this is X plus 1 by X by 2, and this is what, it's a X minus 1 by X 2. Okay, or Pythagorean triplet, this equal to actually comes here X. Is that clear? So what the next is, simply it is, so keeping here the rounder at point, what at point? At point A, we just take line equal to this, let this is. So you just have to know from here the red line, length of red line, this is actually under root X. That is how much line you have taken here, 9.3. This is the method of that. Okay, will remember this. So everybody understood what is the method of this solving this question here? So go back please. Here assignment of the day yours is the question number, please note this again, question number 5, 6 here is to be solved. Please note 5, 6 here is to be solved, and is to be solved question number 13 and 11 and question number 14. The 5 question will try with your best. Is that clear guys? And everybody will appreciate, so it will help you to understand the questions in the proper manner. Right guys, thank you very much.